Like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we have another Kobe on feet review for you guys. But before we get up into this content, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Man, I am beyond excited. You guys have really been killing it when it comes to the likes, the subscribes, and all that good stuff. Just make sure you guys continue to share the content. We are on our race to 20K, and at the rate we're going, by Thanksgiving, that would be a blessing. We seem like we'll be able to hit that, man. But today, we do have an on-foot look of this Kobe 8, and it was a couple of Kobes that dropped, as you guys can see on the screen. These are the ones that dropped, and in some areas, they are actually still sitting. Now, will these shoes make it to the outlets? Probably not. I'm pretty sure they won't. But it is nice to see some Kobe sitting in stores where people are actually walking around saying that they walked into the store and the shoe was actually sitting there and they were able to cop it for retail without the crazy resale. And these are not going for that much either. And also the fact that Nike gave us a bunch of pairs. So let's go ahead and start with this sneaker. You have your traditional Kobe 8, and we're going to talk about sizing and stuff like that today. This is the Lakers away colorway, or Hollywood Nights, man. But you have a predominantly black upper with the gold Nike swoosh. You have the white outsole. I really wish they would have went with gray instead of white, or maybe like a black bottom, because I hate white outsoles. But nonetheless, that's what they went with. On the back right here on the side, we do have that Kobe Bryant signature right there. On the front of the sneaker, it's all black with black laces leading up to the Kobe logos, which is going to be in that Lakers purple. As you guys see right here, same thing for the other sneaker. On the inner side of the shoe, we do have that gold logo right there with the black and white outsole. And on the back end of these things, your traditional Kobe 8, we have the black bar going across the back end of it with the purple Mamba logo right there. And again, like I said, the Kobe signature. On the bottom, we have that white outsole. Like I said, I don't like that with the hints of black kind of type carbon fiber type thing. But for the most part, these things are super comfortable. The difference between these and the Venice Beaches is going to be the tongue. As you guys can see right here, this tongue actually is kind of plush. It is not that thin material that's on the Venice Beaches. And I'm going to be honest with you guys. These are a size 12. I always go a half a size up on my Kobes. And honestly, these fit well with the drop insole. And I'm going to be showing you guys the drop insole when it comes to the Kobe 8s. They do have that drop insole type unit and stuff like that, which is performance is amazing. And that's the whole point of buying these sneakers, is that you want to be able to wear them with the drop insole. But I'm going to say that I can truly say for this pair, a half a size up, you will be fine in these Kobes. Honestly, they're not like the Venice Beaches where I would say a full size up. They actually fit pretty well when it comes to this sizing on this pair. But y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all think about these things, how they look on feet and stuff like that, or if you got them, are you gonna hoop in them, or are you gonna be wearing a lifestyle? But let's go ahead and take a look at the insole in the box, and then we're gonna close out the video. All right, so here is the insole. Like I said, it's your standard drop insole, but this one is super dope because I do like that black colorway in it. As you guys can see, you have the Mamba logo right there on the insole, and as you guys can see right here, it is no different than your other Kobe 8s, that super thick insole, which is one of the reasons why a lot of people go up that full size in these things. But for some reason, this pair actually you can get away with just a half a size up, in my opinion, when it comes to this drop insole in this sneaker. And as far as the box, we have the standard black Kobe box with the Kobe logo, the signature, and the reptilian skin right there. As you open up this box, you just have the white paper in it, and then here is the size tag for you guys, anybody that actually want to stop and legit check the pair of Kobes or anything like that. That's your size tag for you. But
But that's all I got for you guys today. Y'all let me know down in the comment section what are your thoughts and opinions. Like I said, in some areas this sneaker is actually sitting along with some of the other colorways, but not a bad sneaker. Will it make it to the outlets? I doubt it, but if it does, this will be a great shoe. Finally a Kobe to hoop in. You can buy and you won't feel bad about hooping in it because of that price point, man. But I appreciate you guys tapping as always. Y'all let me know down in the comment section what are your thoughts and opinions. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these Kobes, are just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Gone.
Get they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack.